The test will be divided into 3 main parts. We will guide you step by step. Let's start. Step A. Prepare the raw materials. Prepare your material, binder, and water. Weigh each raw material according to the required proportion. Step B. Add Jianjie binder. Add 2 to 5% of Jianjie binder into the raw material. Mix evenly for 2 to 3 minutes to ensure uniform distribution. Step C. Add water. Test raw material moisture first. Then adjust water accordingly. Measure water first. Add 5% to 7% or more based on requirements. Add 3% to 4% water first. Gradually add more water by 1% to 2% increments. After adding water, mix thoroughly until uniform. Ideal material condition after mixing. Unwanted material condition check. When everything is mixed, test the moisture of the mixture. Target moisture, aim for about 13% final moisture content. Step D. Briquetting. Feed the properly mixed material into the briquetting machine. Take out the briquettes from the mold. Step E. Wet strength test. Test the wet strength of green briquettes at 1.5 meters height. Step F. Drying. Place green briquettes into the dryer. Step G. Remove after drying. Take briquettes out after the drying process is completed. Step H. Dry strength test. Use the spring testing machine to test the compressive strength.